Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to collaborate, send your design to a client or publish it online, Canva makes sharing quick and simple without needing to download files first. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to share a Canva design in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your accounts. Open the design you want to share, for example, the design that you have already done before, any design. Make sure your design is finalized or ready for review. Okay, so click the share button as you can see here in the corner. So look at the top right corner as I did. Click the share button. A sharing panel where will appear. All sharing options are inside this panel. Okay, so before sharing, select the access level. Okay, options include can edit, can comment, can view. So click the permission drop down, choose the correct option and use view access for clients or public sharing. Okay, so now in the share panel, click copy link. Okay, send the link via email, WhatsApp, Messenger, any platform. Anyone with the link can access the design based on permissions. Okay, so to invite people directly, enter their email address, choose permission and click send. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.